Lifted RV. Yeah, V10. I got this van on February 24th, 2020. And for almost a year now, I've been talking about wanting to get a lift kit for this van. I had a lifted 1992 Ford Econoline with a 5.0 V8 action van suspension, and that thing was a lot of fun. It was really hard for me to let go of that van, but it was nickel and diming me. So I got this van, and this second go around I wanted the extended model with the V10. I wanted the power. This van has all the power that I want, and with the lift, it's gonna be sweet. I can't wait. I'm set to get my lift kit installed on March 4th. I'm at Weldtec right now. I'm parked to another Econoline here with the 6-inch lift, so you can see the difference right here. So wheel gap of my van stock, and then here's the wheel gap of the 6-inch lift right there. Big difference. I can't wait. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Check this thing out. Lifted Class C. If I had the money, I'd get a lifted Class B. Class C is way too big, but maybe when I'm 60, I'll want one of these, since it's literally a house. It has the comforts of a real home. Right now, I'm still comfortable in a little van, in a normal van. That's good enough for me, sleeping by the river rapids. It's actually my birthday today. Just turned 39. This is my birthday present to myself. I was gonna visit Weldtec a couple days ago, but I said I'll do it on my birthday. I like symbolism like that. I feel pretty good. My friend at work, she made a new friend, and she asked me if it's okay she invites her friend to sit with us. I'm like, yeah, no problem. I like making new friends. And she told her friend, like, guess how old this guy is? And she said 27. That made me feel better about myself. So it's all about taking care of yourself. I try to work out a couple days a week, and then when I'm not busy working overtime all the time, I like to work out 5 days a week. So it's all about taking care of yourself. That inspired me. Hey, I'll take 27. That's pretty good. This is sweet. I was considering a GM because these vans have the 6.0 V8, 300 horsepower, 360 foot-pounds of torque, and there's lift kits available for them. I didn't consider Dodge because all they have is the 5.9, 240 horsepower, 360 foot-pounds of torque. They never got the 8.0 V10, so I wanted at least 300 horsepower in my van. Okay, that's my visit to Weldtec. Now I gotta wait 1 month for my lift kit to be installed. It's gonna be cool. Thank you to everyone who was rooting for me to get it. It's finally here. Now we wait a month.